Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. Steel rubber products, quality crafted rubber parts and weather stripping. Personal positioning technologies, we support your workforce. Hoppy Industries, offering premium audio solutions for the power sports industry. And by Class P's Fabrication, modern beds for modern trucks.
Brian Hansen's the head engineer at Tribotex. He's back with us. And Brian, once again, we've gone to the mailbag to see what folks are asking about Tribotex. We're back to the basic question we get all the time, but it gets asked all the time. Is Tribotex safe in my car?
Yes, it is safe for any car. You can add any oil and it works in any engine.
And you get a lot of people, you say that they want to try it on something that's not going to hurt as much as putting it in your car, right?
Yeah, a lot of people try us out in their lawnmower and they're so blown away by the performance they end up putting it in their car, their wife's car, and that's how we end up upselling our products.
But you don't have to do the research yourself because these guys actually have it on their website.
Yeah, we actually have all of our scientific papers on our website. We've worked with national laboratories and we've been proven in many other engineering labs and are currently being tested in some very large companies right now.
NASA?
NASA actually gave us a spin-off. They published us this last year. So if you type in Tribotex NASA, you will find us on the internet.
These guys are the real deal. How much should we use in any engine at any given time?
Okay, that's a good question. A lot of people have different sized engines and it's hard to find a product that's just right. Our Tribotex Original, which is this middle-sized one, is really good for anything between like a 2-liter and a 6-liter engine. It's a little thin on the bigger side or a little heavy on the small engines, but it's totally fine for all of that. Any excess will just drain out with your oil and it will build up as much as you need. If you don't have enough, we have a satisfaction guarantee. Hit us up, we might give you another tube for you. And also, if you have a small engine, like below 2-liter, we have a Tribotex Mini, which is often great for 4-wheelers, motorcycles, snowmobiles, lawnmowers. These things are great for small cars. So I got a Toyota Prius that I race. My Tribotex Mini works great.
We talk about oil. There's all kinds of oils out there, and for cars that have been around for a while, there is the high mileage oil.
Yeah.
Should I use that for my older vehicle when I'm using Tribotex?
You can use any oil, but we recommend using just a normal oil. Now, high mileage oils have special additives in it, which can compete with Tribotex nanoparticles. The Tribotex nanoparticles are going to be superior to those particles that you're going to find in your oils.
And I saw a few people writing in asking when they should add Tribotex. Is it every fill up, every oil change? How often?
I recommend using it after an oil change. Get a fresh set of oil and blend the Tribotex with a quart of oil to get it to disperse quicker into the engine. When you add it to your engine, you need to run it for about 500 miles at least. Give it a couple thousand better, and then it will stay in your engine for over 40,000 miles.
Well, Tribotex is going to make your engine perform better. It's going to actually repair your older engines, and it's going to make your car last longer. Check them out at Tribotex.com.
Time now for the lowdown with Magic Creeper.
We have told you about the uses of Magic Creeper. They're infinite. They're only limited by your imagination. The Magic Creeper is useful around the house. Now, we use it to get under the sink, doing some plumbing. You can put a towel under there. You can put an ironing board. That's a great trick they always teach you in the handyman magazines. You're going to break your ironing board if you do that, by the way, and it's not all that comfortable. Use the Magic Creeper when you're getting under the sink. It's going to cushion your back. It's going to make it easier to slide in and out from that space. You can also use the Magic Creeper as a kneeling pad. Use it around the house to do hardwood floors. Use it to get stuff down low. Use it when you're cleaning. And of course, the Magic Creeper was designed and intended for the automotive world, so you can take it in your car with you. If you have trouble by the side of the road, the Magic Creeper is going to make it easy for you to kneel down, change that tire without getting dirty. It's going to make it easy on your knees. On the side of the road, there's often glass, there's dirt, there's gravel. That makes it really tough to kneel, and squatting for that long is really a pain, especially when you're trying to lift a tire. So use the Magic Creeper. It'll take the stress off your knees. It'll save your clothes. It'll save your day. If you're savvy enough to make some fixes under the car or do an inspection under the vehicle, the Magic Creeper is great for that too. Just roll it out, and there's zero ground clearance. That means the Magic Creeper gets you right down on the ground, not like an old-fashioned creeper that has the casters and you don't have a whole lot of room under the car. Once you're under there, the Magic Creeper can move forward and back, side to side, glides along any surface, any rough surface, any smooth surface. The Magic Creeper is going to be your hero. And when you're done, it cleans up super easily. Just use your favorite spray cleaner and you are good to go. Wrap it up, throw it in the car, throw it behind your seat, throw it under the seat, or throw it in the trunk. The Magic Creeper goes wherever you go, and it can get you out of a tough spot. Check out the authentic Magic Creeper at magiccreeper.com. We're going to head on out of here, and we're going to do it in style here in this Ford Galaxy, but we'll be back next week, and we hope you join us then. In the meantime, check us out on Facebook, and we're getting going on Instagram as well. And if you have a product you want to see featured on the show, email Jeff at masterstv.com. We'll get you here in our studios. From our entire crew here at Motorhead Garage, we will see you next week. So long.